What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today we have a multi-tool pen from Amazon. Alright guys, so another weird impulse buy. I seen this on Amazon. If you guys missed my other weird impulse buy, the K-Bar tactical spoon, go check that out. It's in the EDC playlist. So before we even get to the actual pen, they gave us some fake paracord looking thing with like this credit card bottle opener, multi-tool thingy majigger, and a little plastic pouch for it. Whatever. I didn't pay for it. I didn't even know it was in the packaging. But here is the pen. We have all the little screwdriver tips on here, which is pretty cool. So I don't know how functional they're gonna be or how good they are. They're probably not. I mean, let's be realistic, it's a pen, but you get a small flathead, a big flathead, a small Phillips head, and two different size. Well, one's a Torx and one's a hex head. On the top here, bottle opener. This is the pen. You got the clip for your pen pocket holder thingy. Glass breaker. I don't know. I mean, listen, it's something cool. It's something stupid to have in your truck. It's a stupid gift. It is what it is, I guess. But pull out that portion, screw it onto here, and now you have a pen. Let's see if we can it writes good. Pen, glass breaker. It's pretty sturdy. So this screws off here if you want to make it a shorter pen. There's all kinds of so we can take that off completely and just screw. Can we screw this in? No, you can't even. So they're not all interchangeable. That kind of sucks. So comes off. It's 4 pieces, and apparently you can't make it shorter. So we're gonna have to screw this in, and so you screw this in for the pen, take it off, flip it around, and now you're back to this weapon slash icebreaker, window breaker. It's pointy. I don't know if you're gonna break anything with it, but yeah, I mean, I think this was like $12.99 on Amazon. So it's from Magic Palace Store on Amazon. It's $12.99, and unique birthday gifts for father, boyfriend, husband. So they have it listed as EDC Pen Survival Tool. You are not going to survive anything with this pen, so don't get your hopes up with that. We have another thing. I don't know. I don't know what that's for, but anyway. So in here, you have a little like storage, I guess, if you want to put some pills or something in there. I don't really know. So we take off the window breaker, and this is hexagonal shape, and the bits go right in there. So you can't store the bits on the device because this piece is definitely not big enough. Actually, yeah, so you can. Alright, so yeah, you can't store the tips in there. It doesn't screw down all the way, which kind of sucks. So there's a little O-ring there, and it won't screw down all the way with putting the bits in there, which kind of sucks. This thing is stupid. Don't buy it. This is a complete waste of $12.99. This is why I buy these things, because they're ridiculous, and I have to figure it out, because I'm just that type of person that I see something weird and stupid and I have to buy it because I like testing dumb things out like this. So stay away from this. Don't buy it. Don't spend $12.99 on it. Don't spend any 99 amount on there at all. Just stay away from it. It does write well, but it's freaking huge. I mean, look at this thing. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys comment down below if you guys have a tactical style pen that you can recommend, because this is not going to cut it for me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below and make sure you subscribe. We have new videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Take care.